Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have a hair color change. So she gets a nice refresh of that really pretty hot pink shade. Beautiful Pixie haircut. Very nice, and I really like the dimension featured within the coloring. This is really pretty. Next up, we have a cut refresh with this Pixie bob haircut. Beautiful dimensional blonde. Very nice Pixie bob style. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So this next Pixie bob style does feature some bangs. I really like the dramatic angle that this has. Such a cute, fun hairstyle idea. And then we see someone with a bob. She goes on quite a journey here with the cutting. Ultimately ends up getting this gorgeous Pixie style. I love how this looks paired with her makeup. So cute. Next up, we have another cut refresh. The stylist ends up giving her a pixie mullet style. This is also known as a mixie or a shorter mullet. Very trendy hairstyle. Here we see someone with long waist length hair. And then bam, she gets this beautiful bob haircut. So refreshing and chic. I love it. Next up, we see someone with a bit of a grown out pixie. And she gets a nice pixie refresh with the shade and size and design. Next up, we see someone here with beautiful curly long hair. she switches things up with this curly pixie style. This is so cute. This is a very popular pixie look for the curly girls. Very low maintenance. And then we have another cut refresh. Ooh. So the hair is bleached. Wow, very nice makeover. And of course she had to go shorter. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.